Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram app was enabled to play this is video. We will go down here on settings, we will click, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down, we will click here on apps and we come to apps window. We will go down here to looking for Telegram app and this is window. So we will go to find the Telegram app, we will click here on Telegram and we come to this is window. We'll click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage, then we come to next window here. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, then we come to this is window here. We will click here on app, then this is show for us, and you just click here on clear local, and it's going to so work with you when you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it. So see you in next video about all Telegram settings.